Hi there, I would like to show how to install the Robocar Emulator. First, I open my browser and the page of GitHub project. Before the installation, we must to install some application. The list of them there are on the page of Wiki. I open the terminal and type the command of installation and the name of application. For example, the sudo apt-get install git. I installed the application before, so I skip it now. After it, now I'm installing the OpenStreetMap libraries with git cloning. First of all, I make with mkdir command a new folder, its name OSM-binary, and after it I go into it. Now I use the git clone command with the title of .git file. What can I find in the wiki page? And after copy paste it. After cloning, I go into the OSM-binary and I type the make and after the install commands. And it via compiler and install. It has a error, but I have a mistake. I'm a bad folder. After it, I go back to the root folder. It's my Robocar and make a new folder, the libosmium. I go into it and git clone the libosmium project files from the GitHub. The link there is in the wiki page. After it, I make and install the files. The make command has a big time, so I skip it in my video and after it install the files with the sudo make install. The next steps there are also in the description part of the video under the video. After it, I copy the libosmium include files to the user local include with the highlighted line. After it, I clone the main files of the GitHub project Robocar Emulator. Now I go into the Robocar Emulator's rcmu subdir in the Justin folder, and I run the sudo autoconf install command, and after it the pond pair configure. It has got a simple error, but it's very simple to fix. For it, I go to the Robocar folder, the Robocar Emulator and Justin and rcmu. I find the file of OSM reader in the source folder. It's the OSM reader.hpp. I edit it and insert a new line, a new include command. It's the highlighted line. Gogur per protobuf per descriptor.h. Now I run again the sudo make command, and now it finished correctly. Now I install 3 more packages: the Java GRE and the GDK and the Maven packages. I installed the OpenGDK implementation of Java. Before the next command, I download the OpenStreetMap map from the OSM website. For it, I typed the Debrecen word into the search box, and after click on it. I clicked on the button exportálás, it's the exportation, and the over plus API link. I saved the file to the downloads folder, so I must to copy it to the Justin folder, and after rename it to Debrecen.osm. After it, I find the next command in the wiki page First, the car window first command is the maven clean compiler package site assembly. I copy it and paste into the terminal. I run it in the rcvin folder. It's a long action, so I skip it from my video. I open a new terminal and run the Smart City application in the source folder in rcmu. I can find the next command too in the wiki page. It's the highlighted line. And after, with sudo command, I passed it and replace in the command the Berlin to Debrecen or my downloaded map name. If the Debrecen is ready sentence appear end of terminal, then I go to the file manager of my Ubuntu and open the Debrecen lmap.txt file and replace in it the points to commas. I open a new terminal again and run the traffic server starter command in the rcmdir again. After it, the server is ready, text will appear, end of terminal. Of course, I must replace Berlin to Debrecen. So, I have just some comments. No. In the rc-windir, I ran the second command from the Robocar window section of wiki page, and here it will start the map of Robocar. Of course, I replaced Debrecen elmap.txt to Debrecen, and after it will appear a nice map of Debrecen with some cars. I have just two commands remaining from the testing section of wiki page. First, I add some gangster, and after I add my police team to the map in new terminals. The steps of my video, of course, there are under the video description section. Thank you for watching. And there are the nice map. Good luck.